Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are here for the unboxing of Skullcandy Barricade Mini. I got this device for around 1350 rupees on Big Billion Day, and it has got a 5 watt of speakers and 6 hours of battery playback, and it has IPX5 rating, which is quite water resistant. Let's unbox it and see what we have got in the box. Let's get started. So this is Barricade Mini. As I told you, it's a 5 watt speaker. Let's open the box. Like every time, the packaging is quite nice. Here's the box to open it. Here's the box. This is the Bluetooth speaker itself. As expected, it's very nicely built, and it has got a Skullcandy branding over here and a Skullcandy logo over here. The strap is very nice to hold. If we open this, we have got a micro USB for charging this speaker, and we also have got the aux. Sadly, we don't have a micro SD slot. Here is the power button, and here is the volume buttons, and this button is for connecting and picking up the call. So this is a speaker. Let's see what else we got. This is some quick start guides, and we have the micro USB cable over here. Now I'll show you guys how we can connect this device to the. Please note guys, this is not a waterproof speaker, it is only a splash proof one. The buttons over here are quite nice. Let me switch it on. It's a rubber button. The battery is fully discharged. Let me put it on a charging. When this speaker is getting charged, I will show a red light over here. Let's see, does it switch on? Yeah. So this speaker was fully discharged. I have charged it for a while, and I'll show you how to connect it. Here's a power button over here. You just have to press it once. A long press will switch it on, and it will start blinking. You can see the name over here shows as Barricade Mini BT. Will connect it from the Bluetooth. It's now connected. It's connected for calls and media. Now I'll show you the sound of the speaker. This mic cannot tell you how this speaker actually sounds, but in reality it sounds very good. This is a 5 watt single speaker. It has got a mono output, and over here is at the back there's a woofer. You can increase the volume. It sounds very nice.
Isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. I'm coming now.
So the sound was very crystal clear, and there were some beats also. The bass is very good, and here we have got the silicone stand so that a speaker stays still on the table. And guys, let me tell you, this is not a waterproof speaker. It's a water resistant. It is a splash proof speaker. On the front there is a waterproof mesh, and this cover holds the ports from water getting inside your speaker. Totally it is a very nice build speaker. For 1350 rupees I give the speaker a 5-star rating. The quality is very nice, and this is a very nicely built speaker. So that's it for the review of the Barricade Mini. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please do give the thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel for the latest technology videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.